No, I don't use it for cooking or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
And video in it.
Oh, hell no. These are pears from 1999. Great Poupon, right? Some great shit. 2013, 7 years ago. Fucking tuna fish. Why the fuck is it in here? Who fucking knows? When did that expire? 2015.
And ketchup should not be brown. My grandmother says it tastes good. Doubt that. It expired in 2014.
I wonder when this peach salsa, or mango peach salsa, is from Grandma's fridge. Let's see here. 2013. 10 years ago.
What would you say if you had a guess?
2000.
Older.
1997.
Older.
I just found this at my grandmother's house. This petroleum jelly expired in 1989.
You're lying.